wanna waste no more time. Yeah, you're damn right. Already gave you my love once, but now I'm fed up, gonna take it all back. Cause we're a no-go. I know that I do better solo, so move along, forgotten shadow. Better get it right this time around. Yeah, we're a no-go. I know that I do better solo, so live along, forgotten shadow. Better get it right this time around. I never heard a silence so loud before. I'm gonna love every minute of it, every second of it. Longing for that sound of you being gone, so I can hear my thoughts again, hear my thoughts again. So is this gonna take all night? Don't wanna waste no more time. Yeah, you're damn right. Already gave you my love once, but now I'm fed up, gonna take it all back. Cause we're a no-go. I know that I do better solo, so move along, forgotten shadow. Better get
One day after Pi Day. It's March 15th. This is the first time I've been out here since the end of the voluntary closure, because the flows have been bonkers. You can look around, you see like the water was way up high and clearly came through with some force, pushed everything over. So I'm giving it a shot and then staying away. It's actually nowhere near as wet as I thought it would be. I mean, you can see it is wet, but I thought it was going to be, it's called marsh. And that it is not, which is good. See where the water pushed everything up against the upstream sides. So the biggest problem that I'm having currently is getting somewhere where it's safe enough for me to stand, really. It's just really deep in all the spots. Places I can actually like stand with some confidence. Oh, there we go. That's a big fish. That's a really big fish. Alright, how am I doing with this thing? That's a good sized fish. That is a tank. Serious tank. I'm trying to get him free of this little show them to you. But yeah, I mean, I'm pretty surprised, but pretty happy. Okay, so let's see. I mean, that's a big old fish. Yeah, I barely get my hands around him. Okay. Ooh, that's a monster. Look at that. That is a big fish. You can see how big he is. That is a good one. Wow. Ooh. Come on. Oh, I can't let you go. That's a good fish. Oh, come on. Come on. All right, where are we going to do this, buddy? No, 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 no. No, 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 come on. Come here. Oh, sorry about that, buddy. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, I'm going to get that loose. All right, who cares? Okay, so let's see. I don't know how long I fished today. I mean, not even maybe an hour or two. And, it's a lot. I landed two really nice fish. Both of them on this white CDC micro bugger. It's kind of been my go-to this spring so far, to be honest. Crushing them. This guy's all beat up. That out of you. Stop. dry. I'll try and show it to you when it's a little mangled. Try and show it to you when it's dry. And this is number 2. Beautiful fish, huge monster. It's a little smaller than the other one. So I tell ya, it's tough. Putah is tough right now. But it is kicking out some really nice fish. Streamer's been the way to go. That's another beauty. Look at that. When I checked the flows this morning, they were at about 1,100 CFS. So they've come up since the last time I was here, since about 400 CFS. 400 is kind of getting close to the top range of what I actually find enjoyable to fish Putah. So we're at like 3 times what is typically my top range of what I like to fish here. It's high. I'm gonna wet wade today because I don't want to die, and I'm concerned that if I wear waders and just anything happens, that I don't have a chance in these flows. So it's gonna be a little cold. Oh. Distressing. And I lost a 3rd fly today. Yeah, all right, I'm done. I lost 3 flies, like an hour. Not sure it's impossible. I didn't manage to get it done today. A little bit surprised. Isn't that amazing how you can be like both pessimistic and surprised when things don't go your way? March 26th. I checked the flows this morning. They were about 900 CFS. So this is the 3rd time I've fished it since the end of the voluntary closure. First day was 700 CFF, and then it was 1,100 CFS, and now it's 900 CFS. So still really friggin' high. But I'm gonna give it a go. This water is moving fast. I'm gonna give it a go and see what happens. I'll let you know. A lot of crap coming down the river right now. Okay. I see you. Look at that monster. Damn it. Again. Even bigger. I'm deep into my metaphorical bag of tricks here. Oh, that was a fish. Okay. Oh, it's a good fish. Oh, no way. Gonna lose him. Oh, he's gonna break. Oh, is he? Is he gonna break off? Oh, yeah. That fish was huge. There was no way to land him, though. Oh, boy. Okay. Well, they're here. Can be caught. I mean, can be hooked. There was no way. I couldn't even lift my rod up. I don't want to say there's such thing as fish that is too big, but that last fish was too big. Too big for this situation anyway.